Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to make 5 more paper kit at this point for the crop coming up this weekend, June 3rd and 4th. We're going to do 10 challenges. Yesterday I gave 2 hints. We're going to use straws and we're going to use balloons and a collection. Today we're going to keep going here and then I might give a couple more little spoilers here. Okay, and you know what? I am loving this collection, and I was like, you can use it more than once. Let's use it a couple of times. So I'm thinking, like I want to use some of those rub-ons and stuff. So I definitely want a pattern that's like this so that you could still see, you know, the rub-ons on there, or something like this where it really is a clean slate. So I think I'm gonna go with the pinks, man. And I just wish this collection wasn't so expensive. It was pretty expensive. So I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna get any more for sure. I'll just have to deal that if I use them all, then hey, I've, at least I brought something in my room and I actually used it. Okay, so that is going to be paper kit number 1. So we're going to do 5 again today. And then tomorrow we're going to start adding embellishments to all of those. Now this is leftovers from my Patreon page kits. So I'm going to take them out and I'm going to try to use them. So do you remember those 4 containers I did? Well, those are pretty much all full. So what I'm trying to do now is, if I'm making pages, I'm still putting, I'm just going to have one of these around. And I tried to make page kits with these first. And then, eventually, hopefully, I'm not going to have another 10 of those floating around because that just wasn't acceptable. So I'm going to take this for a matting. I think I'm going to try to find like a light green with this. I'm thinking, yeah. Do I want this with that too? Because that green and then that blue, but then it has the dark blue. So I think I'll just go with these 2 and I'll call this good. I'll call this good. So that's number 2. And when you have something like this, it's so much easier to make page kits because I've already kind of chosen those at one point, right? I liked these combos together. So, hello. Oh, I love this. I love that. And it reminds me of our new tickets. I have to make sure to use them for making page kits. Okay. So maybe some blue. Okay. I have to decide, do I want to do this or this? And I think I have a bigger sheet of this, so I'll go with that. Okay. Ooh, that is so pretty, right? Maybe I can try to use it for the next one because we still have 3 paper kits to make. So this video probably is not going to be super long because, like I said, a lot of these, like I just used them together not very long ago. So I know I like the combo for sure. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And then we're going to put that in there too. That'll be our next one. Maybe some black in there too. Okay, there's stickers here sticking everywhere. We'll put black in there. Maybe we can do this too. Okay. Kind of making 2-page kits at a time here. And a lot of times that's what I'll do to try to save some time. I'll try to make 2-page kits at a time. Ooh, yes. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I love this. Okay, so this too, I'm going to have to get a background. And that's it. Okay. So this is 3. So if you're interested in the crop, the link is in the description box below. Or you can go to NicoleJones91.com, go to class/store, go to classes, and make sure you look for the crop that's June 3rd and 4th, 2022. And it starts Friday at 6. It's 6 to 8 on Friday, 9 to 1 on Saturday, and 2 to 6 on Saturday. Ooh, I like this. I like that. I like that. I like that. Oh, and okay, so I said I was going to give a little bit of spoilers. So another technique that we're going to do is acrylic pour. I've been watching a lot on YouTube, these acrylic pour artists, and they make canvases and stuff, but I'm going to try it on a scrapbook page. And we'll find out together how that works. So I'm trying to find, stuff that is kind of mainstream and then try to incorporate it in my scrapbook. Okay, so let's look at this one. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There's this side too. I don't know if I would want it that big. That is very bold. Unless, I did something like that. Look, that page is pretty much done for me. Okay, so I'm good with that. I don't know what challenge I'm going to assign to that. I always make all my page kits, then I add embellishments, and then I assign a challenge, and then I add the pictures. And I've been doing a little something kind of different lately too, is I'm also scrapping a lot with no pictures because I'm trying to prep quite a few pages so that when we come back, I'll have tons of pages ready, right? And I can just throw the pictures on when I come back, add a title, boom, boom, page done. So, and I'm going to bring a little journaling book. I already have it already. This is what I'm going to bring. I'm going to show you. I showed my patrons. They haven't seen it yet though, because I finished all my June videos. I'm starting on my July videos because I have to have them done before I go. So this was Simple Stories, I think. And it comes with little books in there, or I bought extra books to go in there. So I have one that is gridded, one that's lined. So that'll be good for journaling. That'll be good for, if I come up with page ideas, this will be good for the journaling of the trip. And then the one that's empty, just blank pages, not empty, they're all empty. Blank page is I'm putting notes in there of things that, pictures I want to take. Okay, so we want to go, for example, at the beach, take pic at the beach and put East Coast in the sand, and then kind of do like a circle, and then take pic at the beach, West Coast in the sand, and then all of us with our bare feet. I'm going to put bare feet here. So I think that's pretty cool, because everything's going to be contained in here. It's not a huge thing. I think I have another book somewhere. I could even put another book in here, and I could do a little bit of, you know, maybe some scrapping. Probably not, but I am bringing markers so I can do that. I'm bringing my Polaroid zip and probably 2 packs of these to take pictures. Maybe, you know, ideas. Okay, this, I want to, you know, scrap this and then put my idea down and all this stuff. So this is all packed already. This is all packed, ready to go. I just got to put it in our trailer. Okay. And I might add, I want to go to the dollar store and add some like ATG in here, just small ones. I don't want to bring my ATG gun. It's too big, right? So that'll be fun to be able to do that. Okay, we only have the 1-page kit left, right? Let's see if there's anything in here that I could stick on there. Doesn't seem to be anything there. I like that festival. I'm sure, hopefully, we'll come across something like that. I know the Stampede is going on while we're there, but I don't think we're going to go. We're actually going to leave Alberta when it's on. And it's pretty cool because we have someone staying in our house for the summer. Okay. Okay, let's cut this off right there. And then we'll cut it up this way. This is gonna fall off, but that's okay. I'm gonna put that with the yellow page. Now, do I want this thing here? I think so. I'm gonna cut this off, and then we'll cut. Oh, is that supposed to be one piece? It is. Okay. It's a good thing that piece of washi tape, it kind of gave me the clue there that, hey, that's all one piece. So we'll just come over here. It's all good, and we'll cut this off. Oh, and the back side is yellow too, so I could use some of that. But I think I have enough pattern paper. Now, I'm kind of doing the embellishments right now. That's okay. Okay, so that's cute. I like that. So we can move this off to the side. So this too, I'm going to get like a light yellow. I just did actually a page with these pattern papers this morning with my patrons. And I was like, as soon as I'm done this, I'm going to have lunch, and then I'm going to do some pages for the virtual crop. So here I am doing that. And the page, it was super cute. We did 2 pages this morning. One was mixed media, and the other one was just like regular scrapbooking. This was the regular scrapbooking one. Okay, is this black or is this? Yeah, that's black. We were talking about that this morning. I like black and yellow together. There's just something about, actually a lot of the neutrals, I like it with like a light color. I like black and pink. You know, I love brown and yellow. Like, it really is pretty cool. Okay, I'm probably not going to put this away too, because I got to make some more page kits today. So it's going to be a page kit making day. Got to make a lot of page kits this week. Got to make page kits for the virtual crop. I got to make page kits for the Project 100. I got to make page kits for Patreon. So it's going to be, which is good. That means I'm getting, you know, these papers onto another cycle of trying to get on a layout. Okay, well, I don't think this was very long, but I knew this was going to be a quick one only because when you pick from something that you just made page kits with, the pattern papers are close together. You know, like what I mean by that is that you already put them in a page kit together. So then you just have to go, oh, I like that. And try to use it again on a page kit. Like this was the other one that we did this morning. And there was a couple big cardstock, which I ended up using because it was a mixed media page. And you know, mixed media. Let me go show you the page we did this morning. Little sneak peek. This was the mixed media page that we did this morning with my patrons over on Patreon for the gold members. We always have a live every month. That was fun. A lot of fun. Okay. I have my 5, well, actually, I have my 10 page kits for the crop this weekend. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video, and we're going to start adding embellishments to all of these. And then, like I said, the next part is to add the challenge and then the photos, and then I'll be all ready for the crop on Friday. So that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.